With Voyant, you get a provider who has been serving businesses with unified communication services for over 15 years. Complications with communications can influence a business's day-to-day operations, both internal and external. Voyant's Unified Communications combines all communication methods into a single, streamlined process. With over 90% of calls originating and terminating on net, you will experience a higher voice quality. Voyant Unified Communications serves as a single source for all of your office communication needs. With Unified Communications from Voyant, you can be in touch with anyone in your organization at any time, from any location, allowing your employees to see if their coworkers are available to take calls, participate in video conferences while working remote, and even accept work voicemails while traveling. With your Voyant Unified Communications service, you will receive feature-rich Polycom phones. The intuitive user interface of these VVX series phones makes usability and navigation easy. How-to videos are available to teach you the most commonly used features, such as how to set up and access your voicemail, how to transfer calls, and how to make conference calls. In this video's description, there will be a link to the how-to video for the phone you received. Voyant Academy offers a variety of training and support to help you get the most from your new service. We provide a comprehensive collection of materials to train end users about the devices, the user portal, and many other services found within the Voyant product line. We here at Voyant strive to provide reliable and responsive support. Please contact our customer care team for all changes, additions, or questions by phone, or visit our website at voyant.com.